So how do we treat Lewy body dementia? There's no cure, but there's a lot you can do to improve quality of life, even as the disease process progresses. The first advice I have is assembling a team, because it takes a village. So you're going to want all the therapies involved: physical, occupational, and speech therapy, or speech language pathology. You're going to want a neurologist, particularly a movement disorder specialist, and probably you're going to want psychology or psychiatric help, because that could come in the form of counseling or a psychiatrist to help prescribe medications for the psychotic symptoms of LBD. As things progress, you may consider hospice care, because quality of life is crucial. Hospice care can greatly improve quality of life, especially as you head towards a transition. But hospice care is not meant to be only right at the end of life. It could be for multiple months or even years in some cases. So the only thing to consider with hospice care is you can't get the same benefits as you can if you're not on hospice. For example, if you're not on hospice care, you can get rehabilitation, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech, and so forth. Whereas with hospice care, you're not getting restorative care or rehabilitation. You're really just getting palliative care, medication regulation, equipment that you need for you and your family, and so forth. In terms of medications, Parkinson's disease medications can help with LBD, particularly because of the dopaminergic issues. In addition to that, though, you'll need other medications prescribed by your physician for some of the cognitive and psychiatric issues we talked about, including the visual hallucinations, sleep disorders, and so forth. As with other Parkinson's plus syndromes, a movement disorder specialist is really the person you need to be seeing to help manage all the potential side effects and interactions that medications can have when treating all these multiple symptoms that can come along with LBD. And the same goes with Parkinson's disease itself. So again, I'll put in a plug for that. And again, I'm going to link a video as to why you should be seeing a movement disorder specialist over a general neurologist. For more information about Lewy body dementia, and I'll share the link of where this information came from the National Institutes of Health, I would also recommend looking into the Lewy Body Dementia Association. It's not a large organization, but it could be really helpful to get support and information. I'll leave those links in the description for your disposal. As always, thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments what you thought about this video and what your experience has been if you have LBD or if you lived with a loved one who has LBD.